welcome to the video. My name is Nir Levy and I give handyman services and small moving services for almost 20 years. Out of these years, about 10 years, in addition to being independent worker, I also work with moving companies, doing disassembling and reassembling of cupboards and furniture, doing packaging, and of course in the move itself. In this video we are going to discuss how to close a crate. So we have a crate here. First of all, we open it. First we will close the two internal wings. You can see there is a certain gap between them. It can be small like this or bigger in other crates. And afterwards we will close the two external wings, which close completely. Once we have this done, we can use the tape and put two stripes in order to tighten the two external wings together. The result is, as you can see, following. Once we have this done, we can put another stripe which will catch both of the wings together and close the crates. This is how it looks like. Basically, this is the way to close a crate. Now, few additional details. First, every time you put the tape, go over it with your hand. This is taking air bubbles out of the way and allow the tape to stick properly to the crate. In some situations, after half an hour, after an hour, maybe after a day, you will start to see the tape goes off from the crate. This can happen because the crate is full of dust. This can happen because the crate is dry since it was left in the sun for a certain period or more. Anyway, if this is the situation, what you can do is put a safety wrap around the base of the crate. This extra tape goes and sticks. Notice that the end, this is where I started. I put a tape on a tape. This is the closing of the safety wrap. And now we have a crate that all these small bits are catched with the safety wrap. This is an excellent closing of a crate, and you can start packing and put your goods inside. In this video I want to treat another way, which some of you or most of you know, to close a crate, and it looks like that. This method has one advantage, which is I don't need to use a tape in order to close the crate. It might be good as an improvisation. In the end, if I was left without any tape and I need to close a few last crates. As a system, it has a lot of disadvantages. First of all, it has these wings. If I take and put one crate on top of the other, they can catch one crate in another, and then as a result the crate can fall and the goods can be damaged. Second of all, the top of the crate is not straight. Since it's not straight, if we put the crates one on top of the other in the truck, they won't be stable, and again there is a larger chance that the crates will fall. Third of all, even if I choose to tape in this method, it's still 1, 2, 3 and 4 stripes of tape. I use more tape and I get a result which is less good. So in general, try not to use it. Anyway, never use it in the bottom of the crate, because if you use it in the bottom of the crate and you lift the crate, it will just open and all the goods can be left on the floor. It does happen often. Just close the crate as we saw below. Close it from the upside, and this is the way to properly close a crate. Thank you for being with me in the video. My name is Nir Levy. I give handyman services, small moving services for items that require special treatment, and technician services, computer technician services as well. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.